All right, guys, back in the car. Y'all see the camera? We getting ready to go out. I got a lot to do today. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. So, couple things we gotta do. I got to go to the gym. I got some stuff I gotta pick up for Ironman because there's some more stuff I need. There's a lot more stuff than what I thought I needed. But we gonna go out and grab it. But I'm gonna go out there and give y'all an update. I'm gonna show y'all Ironman. I'm gonna show y'all where we at and how things are looking. But really, just buying the wrong parts. Let me show you what I mean. God is everything. Without God, I'm nothing. All right, man, so here's all we gotta do. I bought some Mooser studs, wrong size and the wrong thread. First. Second thing is the brakes. These are the wrong brakes. I gotta send these back to Amazon. I gotta go all the way to Summit, which is about, I don't know, about 45 minutes away from me. Take those back. And then the little plates that hold the brakes, I got to get 2 more bolts because I lost 2. So gotta go get some bolts, lock washers, etc. And we gotta go to Summit, which will be the last thing I do. And then we'll come back and get this stuff on Ironman. And y'all will probably today get to see how Ironman looks. But let's go check it out. All right, man, so we are headed out to the shop right now so I can show y'all where Ironman is, what it's looking like, how much progress I've made on it. I think the last video I haven't even bolted the rear back up, but it is bolted. I ain't sure about my exhaust right now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I might have to cut it off and get it redone, but we'll see. I ain't gonna cut it until I see that it's gonna hit, because it very well may clip. But let me get in here, man, and I gotta get this door open and stuff, get the lights on. Once I do that, I'll bring y'all back in. All right, guys, so here we are. As y'all can see, the new 30 spline axles are in, new wheel cylinder. I had to buy brand new leaf shackles, the shackle right there. Had to buy that new because they had 2 different ones on there, and I was like, hey, I'm not going back like that. So bought two new ones for both sides. Still got to change the shocks out. So I can see the new diff cover up there. This is where I'm concerned at. If you can see right up in here, that's the exhaust, and this is where the rear end is sitting. And it's in the air right now. This is just the leaf springs hanging. Once some weight get up on it, that rear end is probably gonna go on up some more. Between the rear end and the frame, I think I'll be good. But I mean, if I gotta do a notch, frame notch, I'll do it. But I mean, that's no big deal. And the exhaust is really no big deal, but everything is pretty much done. Like I said, I gotta go get the right brakes. But yeah, man, the flip kit is done. It's flipped. All the bolts are tightened down. I gotta go get new brakes and new studs, and we can wrap this thing up, sit on the ground, and finally see what this thing gonna actually look like, man. Checking back in, shifting gears. All right, man, so look, this is what we gonna do. I know I said we were going to the gym first, but I changed my mind. We ain't gonna do the gym first. We gonna go handle the little miscellaneous stuff first. We're gonna go get this bolt. We're gonna go take these brakes back, and we're gonna pick up the new brakes from O'Reilly. That way I don't forget nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all this while it's all on my mind. It's all right there together. Like, it's literally like a circle. Boom, hit that store, get the bolts, hit O'Reilly, hit the UPS store, drop the brakes off, and hit the gym, and then hop back on the interstate, head up to McDonald's, and exchange these studs. Now this thing won't be complete because I still got to figure out what fluid goes in it, but I will be grabbing the fluid while we here. So, but in this video, man, we are gonna sit this thing on the ground because I am dying to see what it's gonna look like, and dying to see if I gotta do a flip kit. I mean, see if I gotta do a frame notch. That part I'm still not sure about yet. So, anyway, we gonna get on to here, and I'm gonna check in with y'all once we make it to the first stop. pulled up the Ace Hardware, man. No reason to take y'all in for this. Literally going to do this. Get some bolts, nuts, whatever. Real quick, I'll be back. Alright, first mission accomplished. We're now going to take these brakes back to, I think they gotta go to UPS to go back to Amazon. And then, we're going over to O'Reilly to pick up the right brakes for the car. And then we're going to the gym. And then, we go to Summit Racing. So I'll check back in with y'all once I get to the gym. And I'm gonna give y'all some tips while we in the gym. I'm finna help y'all get big out here, get swole out here. I'm finna help y'all right here, right now, in this video. So get your pen and your pad out, cause you finna get swole. All right, man, so we got the brake shoes. I won't say brake pads, but we got the brake shoes. And I'm just gonna make sure they're the right ones before I even leave the store parking lot. Make sure they right. These look, yeah, too small. I think these are the right ones. I think these look, they look closer to mine. One of my brake shoes is smaller than the other one. I don't know if it is because it wore down like that or something. I don't know. But these like they'll work, so we're gonna run with these. We gotta go to the gas station. And then we go to the gym. Alright, man, at the gym, and I ain't happy. I ain't happy at all. I ain't got my mic on, so the audio might sound a little different, but we getting ready to go into the gym. I can't necessarily record the audio for y'all because they have music playing there, and I'm trying to get monetized, so I ain't trying to get no copyright strike. But anyway, we getting ready to go ahead. It's back day for me. I'm gonna show y'all what I do on back day. Normally back, biceps, triceps, things like that. I do all that in the same day. But we're gonna go here and I'm gonna show y'all a few of my workouts. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Alright, man, workout completed. Man, let me say this. The gym is, to me, is literally like a drug. It's like, let me open this up, make sure y'all can see me good. It's literally like a drug, man. You walk in there and you may not be having the best day, you may not be feeling the best, but you get in there and you get that blood pumping and you go to lifting them weights, you go to feeling good, and I don't know, just something, it's an adrenaline rush, man. So it's actually the cure for a lot of things y'all got going on, health-wise and mental-wise. So I say, man, try the gym, man. Just some gyms, man, you can just pay some money. You don't even have to sign up for a membership. Go in, or you can call and say, hey, how much is it for me to come in for a one-day pass? You go in with your one-day pass and just try it out. Make sure you got you like a workout routine, because a lot of times your first time going, you're gonna be lost. So I would, there are apps they got. It's just videos you can watch. Like, let's say for instance, your first day going to the gym. For most men, we want big chest. We want a nice chest. So I would go to YouTube and I would type in chest workout routine or something like that. And I would follow that video. And I would go to the gym and that's what I would do. So that's what y'all should do. Let's get up to Summit Racing. Let's get these little swap dot so I can see what these wheels look like on this truck with it dropped. Let's go get it done. right, man, so we done made it up here to Summit. Let me show y'all. Yes, sir. Came all the way up here, 45 minutes, just to swap out these. Crazy what we do for these cars, man. But anyway, man, get in here, get y'all some little footage while I'm in here, man. But that's gonna be about it. So, my GoPro dead, so y'all ain't gonna see me no more till we get back to the high. So, holla at y'all in Summit. All right, man, we in here. For my people who ain't never been to Summit and McDonald's, I'm gonna take y'all around the store. All right, man, finna take y'all around the store. Very clean. Look at that. Super clean. Got that. I'm trying to give y'all a quick shot, man. Nothing too crazy. Got the scratch and dent section. Got some scratch and dent wheels over here. Scratch and dent. Got some headers. I don't know if that's too bright, but I'll show y'all the display cars on the way back out, man. But let me take a look at these wheels. Might have something I need. All right, man, quick exchange, got what I needed. Got the wheel studs. Let me show y'all. These look totally different, so. But they look big enough to work, so. Got the right ones, hopefully. Because if they ain't, the next one's just gonna have to be delivered, because I ain't coming back up here. Anyway, man, let's get to the house. Get those studs in. And we gotta change out the shocks. And then we're gonna put this thing, we're gonna just throw the wheels back on for now, just so we can see what it look like. Put it on the ground, and then that's what we're gonna do, man. So y'all stay tuned. We headed back. All right, man, be honest with y'all, I've been home for a little minute. It got dark and everything. I mean black dark, but we here, we got everything. And like I said, I showed y'all Iron Man earlier. We got those bolts to go in there. I'm not gonna record it. I'm gonna stay by what I said. Not gonna record it. I'm gonna just do it. And once I throw the rallies back on and sit this thing on the ground. Now I can't go anywhere today because I literally forgot to get the fluid. But I'm gonna sit it on the ground. We're gonna see what it look like. We're gonna get this. We're gonna see what it look like. Get a little something going. This is what this video gonna be about. Y'all gonna see this thing on the ground on all fours. I ain't going in the house until I do. So that's what I'm gonna do. Once I get it done, I'll be back in and we gonna all drool together. All right, guys, checking in. We looking good. We ain't on the ground yet, but we finna come down. We finna come to the ground, but we here. Looking good already, but we finna sit it on the ground. Hopefully it stay right there, because if it go up in the higher, I might need a notch. I might need a frame notch. But yeah, so we gonna let it down. We gonna crawl up on the head. We gonna take a better look, see what we got, see how we looking. Hopefully we don't need a frame notch, but man, that, man, Iron Man looking so good right now. That little flip kick. All right, y'all, let me go on drop it. And good God Almighty, boy. Good God Almighty. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way so y'all can really bask in this gloriness right here, man. Woo! Boy. I should have did this years ago. Man, oh man. Hold on. Let me I want to get a full body angle of this thing, man. Let me see if I can get it. I might have to open the door. Ooh-wee. Can't hardly get it. Let Let me open this door. I got so much stuff in here, man. I know y'all can see all this stuff in here, but let me open this door. Let me see how we looking from this front. Let's take a look up under here before I open that door, because it's gonna be cold out there. Let me get a light. And let's see what we're looking like up under the bottom. Up under there. Let's see. Woo, woo. We sure is close, boy. Y'all see that? Ooh, that really ain't close. I don't know if it's gonna bottom out though. Still got a couple inches in between now. The exhaust. Get y'all over there so y'all can see that exhaust. But man, it is close. But I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna jump in the bed and see what happens. We gonna see. I'm gonna jump in the bed, see if anything hit. If not, we leaving it. If so, we'll be buying a frame notch. All right, man, so now I got a little bit more room. I'm out the door. And I'm gonna try to get y'all a good angle on this thing, which I still can't really. But the shop too small. Y'all need to keep watching and keep subscribing so I can get a bigger shop. So I can really show y'all this stuff. I ain't got no room in here. I got that motor, I got this motor, and I got 2 more blocks on the other side over there. But let me see how the other side look. Let me show y'all the other side. Maybe I can get y'all a little bit better angle. A little bit better, just so dark on this side. But y'all get the gist of it, man. Iron Man is looking really good. Let me get some light on this side. All right, man. Now y'all got some light. But man, oh man, Iron Man is tucked and looking good. Take y'all to the other side. Same deal. Tucked and looking good, man. Tucked and looking good, baby. Yes, sir. Big Iron Man. Try to get this thing figured out. Get some performance stuff done to it, man. But as y'all can see, it's Iron Man. All right, man, now that y'all done got to really see Iron Man, let's see if I can get this thing to start up. Thing ain't been started up in I don't know how many months. Let's see if it'll start. Alright guys, hold on. Let me see if I got some fuel. This thing might be out of gas. I don't know. But y'all just hang in there. Let me figure out what's going on. Alright, man. There it is. Forgot I had ran it out of gas. But yeah, man, that is Iron Man. Letting it warm up. Got a little mist to it, but you know.
Reps in, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Over time, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now.